Starting off our list at number 10, we have the Tasmanian devil. Tasmanian devils are small but incredibly ferocious marsupials found in Tasmania, Australia. They are known for their powerful jaws and sharp teeth, which allow them to crush bones and consume entire carcasses, including fur and bones. Tasmanian devils are also highly aggressive, especially when feeding, often engaging in fierce battles with one another over food. Their brutal feeding behavior and powerful bites make them formidable predators in their environment.